Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm showing you how to make a DIY lantern slash terrarium using all items from the Dollar Tree. This is my second in a series of videos I'm doing where I show you how to take Dollar Tree glass items, vases, bowls, picture frames, and turn them into something beautiful for your home. Last week I did a DIY cloche, which is one of those bell-shaped toppers. It was just 2 items, $2, really cute. I'll put a link below in case you want to watch that. But for this tutorial, I'm actually doing something a little different. There are a lot of tutorials out there on how to do Dollar Tree DIY lanterns, but mine's a little different. I'm not doing the topper piece for a few reasons. One, you have to buy more pieces, and this way it's cheaper. Two, that's really the trickiest part of a DIY lantern, is making that topper. So this is really simpler, and now it's multi-purpose. By leaving the top off, we can turn it over and use it as a terrarium. If you don't know, a terrarium is sort of an indoor greenhouse. It's a little glass case where you can put flowers, succulents, and honestly I think styled as a terrarium is my preferred method of this product. So I'm going to show you how I make this, and then at the end I'm going to show you clips of how I styled it both ways. Make sure you subscribe, hit the red button so you can see the future videos in this series. Let's get started. So the most basic thing you need to know about this project is we're using 4 picture frames. That's all the supplies you need, that and some glue, and you'll see here I got 4 picture frames that are exactly the same. Dollar Tree has so many different kinds of frames. Use whatever you like. The only key is this kind of long, narrow style is going to really give you that lantern look. If you picked a perfect square, it's not going to look so much like a lantern at the end, but really choose whatever you like. This black color too sort of reminds me of the farmhouse trend, so that's why I went with that. And I'm going to put them into a cube. I'm using hot glue here because it dries immediately almost, so it's going to hold the shape very quickly without me having to hold it forever and ever and ever. But I'm going to back that up with this E6000 glue because that's what's going to make it durable and really keep its shape for weeks, months, hopefully years. If you used just hot glue on its own, it might fall apart a little easier. So that's my tip. I like to use a mix of the 2 glues, but if you like, you could use just one or the other depending on your preference and what you have on hand. You'll see I'm just putting the glue on the inside. You don't want to put it on the outside. You get a sticky mess that way. And I don't have anything protecting my surface area here, but you might want to put down some newspaper or maybe some wax paper if you want to be on the safe side. And as I put the glue on, I am holding it together for about, I'd say 20 seconds as it starts to let that glue take hold. But because the hot glue does dry so fast, you really can move on to the next step pretty quickly. And then there's the top piece. You can already see what the shape is going to look like, how it's going to really take on that lantern look. And here it is all completed. I've styled it up as a lantern with some candles. You could light this in the evening, it would be so pretty, or even put it outside. And then you just flip it on its side and make it a little indoor garden. I've got some moss in here, some candles, some succulents. I used all items I already had on hand. You could put absolutely anything in here and it would be beautiful. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that red subscribe button to see more. I'll see you guys next time.